Hey, this is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, seafood fries. Do you know how some people love French fries? Utterly obsessed with eating them all the time. Might be the only vegetable consumed kind of French fry love. When my teens were tiddly peeps, they ate them just about every other day. They still love them, but if they're topped with another culinary fave, like pizza, chili, cheese, nacho, or seafood, forget about it. Next level love. These are so easy, and you know this mama loves easy. Work smarter, not harder, is my current motto and mantra. This is a great snack meal, which the kids love. It can also be a side or a party platter. Versatility is desirable, don't you think? Have fun with the toppings. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Cheers. I knew that was going to be a winner. Oh my. Oh me. So you know you're supposed to wait till the camera rolls, right? These are really good. I'm glad you like them. Let's eat.